Going to bed and waking up with many messages telling you that you gained a fortune overnight must be amazing. It's comparable to visiting the Narnia realm and finding several great items before entering a magical wardrobe and emerging with 5 heaps of riches. What if I told you that in order to make it work, you don't need to visit a magical wardrobe? I'm going to show you how to use this brand new money-making method, which is as simple as using any device you already own, to consistently generate up to $800. That's true. You can just keep using this strategy to broaden the range of your earning potential. Additionally, it has no regard for your nation of origin, so regardless of where you are in the globe, you may utilize this strategy to make a lot of money, even if you are a beginner. Your assignment is so simple that you don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. I'll walk you through everything in this video, so make sure you watch it through to the conclusion. You run the risk of losing this opportunity if you go on. Say hello to this money-making strategy that will more than double your earnings if you decide to continue with me, though. Let's return to the video now. Let's move right into the first website for the video, howto00111.com, as I don't want to keep you people waiting. For some context, howto00111 is essentially a huge platform that has a ton of never-before-so-easily located internet employment. You can begin your trip by deciding on a profession that best utilizes your skills. As you go through the page, you will find a few advantages of working from home, particularly in these times when technology has almost completely taken over the world. There are many benefits to working from home, including more freedom, time, and flexibility, and all of these things are true. While remaining in the convenience of your own home, you can devote your own time. You may view all of howto00111's open positions on one page. Let's examine each one individually. There are typing jobs that pay between $4 and $8 for each page of 2,000 words, and there are proofreading jobs that pay between $10 and $20 for each page. 3 paid survey jobs, each paying between $10 and $50. The typical pay for 4 graphic design assignments ranges from $20 to $40 per assignment. 5 PowerPoint presentation jobs paying $5 to $10 per slide are available. 6 spreadsheet entry jobs with $3 to $5 per cell salaries. There are 7 voice recognition jobs, each paying $15 to $40. 8th, there is language translation work, which pays $20 to $3,050 every page with a total of 1,200 words, and online advertising, which pays 50 cents for each advertisement uploaded. You should be aware that these assignments are really difficult to do, and that some even call for you to have a strong background in order to complete the work. Some figures may sound interesting because they have increased to $40 and even $50. However, proofreading duties, which pay between $10 and $20 for each page, are one profession that is excellent for newcomers with minimal expertise. You don't aware that you can keep doing this process in order to increase your income alternatives. This makes it the best strategy to use if you want to achieve financial independence. This method doesn't require you to have any kind of skill or prior experience, as I said at the beginning of the video. Therefore, don't spend any time and click on the link that says editing MS Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors that is right below the headline for proofreading assignments. You will be directed to this page where you can read more information about being a virtual online proofreader. As you can see, finding and fixing other people's typos and grammar mistakes is a simple way to earn money. You are now free to explore the page at your leisure as it continues to fill you in on more details about the whole event. The technical specifications are available right here, and after reading them, you'll see that they're not that tough to meet. You just need to be older than 16 and have a PC or laptop with a reliable internet connection. That's all. You'll merely encounter the skill requirements, which are so elementary as to mainly be nothing more than common sense, which I am confident you already possess. When we get to this area farther down the page, you can read about the overall benefits of this employment opportunity. The price they pay for each page is competitive, ranging from $10 to $20. Second, you may work whenever you choose, from any location in the world, in any time zone, and without having to commit to a demanding 9-to-5 job with Hyrocene. And finally, their team is full of wonderful colleagues who have a sizable online network where you can interact with some of the top English proofreaders in the world, enabling you to develop and forge relationships with people from around the globe. There is no way you can pass up this opportunity with the excellent background on what the profession includes and the wonderful platform in the shape of Hyrocene. Now let's talk about the application procedure. You can find this part describing the application process by just scrolling down the same page. If you're interested in working as a proofreader for Hyrocene, please familiarize yourself with the application process, to quote what they state right here. As I said before, everything is completely free. You can learn more by clicking this option labeled "Apply to become an online proofreader" on this page. You will learn about the application process this time, though. Review the hiring process in Step 1 before submitting your application. Please carefully read and understand the How We Hire instructions. This will help you submit a submission that is free of errors. Step 2. Finish the example project. Read some quick pointers on how to complete an online application form after completing your job application. Then move on to Step 3. After reading the instructions to submit a sample project for the preferred category, finish the example project and submit it within the specified time frame. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Going back to the video, because you completed step number 1, you are now free to move on to step number 2, which is submitting a job application. To visit this website and move one step closer to being a virtual proofreader, click on the text right here. You'll notice this area here with this button that reads, "Apply Now," when you scroll down. You should click that to be directed to this page, where you may now formally register for a free account. Start by entering some personal data about yourself on this application form, such as your username, last name, age, email address, and so forth. The technical questions in the following parts are where I step in. For everything to go smoothly, you must do what I instruct. Simply click this down arrow to select an answer for the first question, which asks you to specify your notice period. Since you are the most eager to join and provide your talents, they will then give you first priority. Give it around 24 hours and you should be approved. The next portion will be a succinct introduction to yourself, in which you'll basically pitch yourself and request a job. Simply choose the proofreading drop option. After doing so, choose the nation in which you are now based and then fill out your current employment status. By choosing freelancer, you will significantly improve your chances of being accepted. All you need to do is emphasize your abilities and readiness to provide your services, and you should be set to go. Once you've filled out all the fields, all you need to do is check this box to confirm that you agree to Hyrocene's terms of service and privacy policy, and you're ready to start earning money by clicking this blue Register button. Now that you've seen this far, I just want to say congratulations. You won't regret watching it all the way through, because your earning potential is absolutely endless now that you're in high design. You may now apply for proofreading positions, for example. And once you have them, your sole responsibility is to identify and remedy any grammatical, typographical, or both problems. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.